You're here at the Mouse Vibes. We're at Universal Studios Hollywood for a sneak peek of Jupiter's Claim from the newest Jordan Peele film, Nope.
Shout out to the team at Universal Pictures for inviting the Mouse Vibes. This is a media event and we're not exactly sure what we're getting ourselves into, but we're excited to bring you along with us.
I've watched this trailer about a bazillion times and I still have no idea what this movie is about. Do you?
Nope.
Are you kidding me? We're on Wisteria Lane for a Jordan Peele movie event?
This guy knows how to party. We're at Wisteria Lane for a block party right now. We just checked in. We actually went through the Backlot. I've never been over there by gate 3.
No, I've never been over there either. We took a shuttle in and I've never physically walked over here, so let's go get some drinks and take some cool photos.
Let's go.
Do not judge me for name dropping, but Kiki Palmer just walked by, and when I was a social media director at Power 106, she came in so often, and she is one of the nicest, humblest, most beautiful women I've ever met, and I'm so happy that I'm here to support a film that she is in. And she's so beautiful in person.
But before we go grab a drink, we're gonna party at this awesome house. Does anyone know what house this is? It might be a frat house from Animal House.
I've never seen Animal House, don't judge me, but woo!
They use all these different houses for a ton of different Universal movies. That's just one of them. Let's go grab a drink. There's a bar right next to the frat house.
Yeah,
Duh.
let's go get a Nope movie-themed cocktail, boo. Let's go.
Welcome. Make sure you guys stop at Sky Vodka today. Get your Cosmo Victor.
Thank you so much. We're gonna do that. Yeah.
I'm ready for some vodka, boo. Let's go.
We're easy to pick out. He knew right away we needed to go to the bar. I like this guy. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Our first photo op of the day is gonna be this awesome, huge green screen over here. And you're basically gonna have this awesome move just like this. Ashley and I are gonna take our turns to do it and see who's the best. All right, Ashley, you're almost up. Are you nervous about working with the green screen? Have you done that before?
I have worked with a green screen with you at home, and I'm actually really excited for this. I love green screen. I think it brings movie magic to life.
All right, Ash is up. Here she goes. She's been ready for this whole life. Let's see what happens. She looks so calm over there.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, action! Is it like floating around? Money's in the sky. We're not sure. It's weird one. Be scared. Great job.
That's the face she makes when I ask her to do the dishes.
Am I an actress?
3, 2, 1, action! Now, what is that? It's going up in the sky. What is that object? I'm not sure. 3, 2, 1, and win. Great job. That's perfect.
Oh, that was good.
That's what you want to do.
Damn. That was good. Have a good one.
Former child actor here.
Should I just start calling you Meryl Streep? That was awesome.
Yeah, you should.
That was so cool.
It's just so cool they have that technology of like putting a crane type camera with, you know, the green screen over there and really getting that movie magic here in Wisteria Lane.
Absolutely, and we're on a set because we're movie stars of Meryl Streep.
I mean, guys, comment down below. Who did better in the green screen, Ashley or me? Also, judging just from Desperate Housewives, I thought this neighborhood would be the worst place to party. Wisteria Lane knows how to party.
Dude, if you've watched Desperate Housewives, you know all the housewives have potlucks and there's planes flying and tops flying off, all that jazz.
Speaking of tops flying off, let's go head over to the bar. We haven't had a drink or food yet. We went right to the photo op. Let's turn up a little bit. Obviously, our second stop was at the bar.
Yeah, we're gonna get a Stormy Sky and a Haywood Ranch, which are Sky vodka-based drinks based off the movie.
It's so cool that Sky Vodka did a partnership with it because of the clouds and stuff.
Right?
So smart.
That's good marketing right there. Cocktail secured and I'm double fisting on Wisteria Lane.
I have no idea what this drink is. It's got an orange in it. I don't know what any of this is. I just get beer every time. Oh, check this out. There's actually a button that was at this table for no. My line. Ashley found food. You know, we walked right to this huge line, which I'm glad we did, but the other lines are massive. There's a massive line to go see the actual event. It's about 40 minutes long right now, and the last shuttle's in 30 minutes, so we're gonna have to scarf all of this down.
Yeah.
And these terrible drinks. Mine taste so bad.
Oh my god, this is the strongest drink I've ever had, and I'm not a vodka person, but well, I tried yours. Let's see.
Do you like it?
I'm still gonna drink it.
We're exiting the awesome dance party and queuing up. We're gonna go actually see Jupiter Claim, the main attraction here for the Studio Tram Tour. Let's go check it out, guys. Oh my gosh! Welcome to Jupiter's Claim. We are the first people here.
Okay, you guys, so just know we get to walk inside of Jupiter's Claim because we're at a media event. Normally, you would just drive through it on the tram tour, so let's go show you guys what it's all about.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, I wish I would have brought my cowboy hat.
Hey, how's it going?
Great. Run some Django.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness, check this out. There's like a little town back here. This was a parking lot just a few months ago. And right off the bat, they gave us a sweet map. It's like a map of Disneyland, but Jupiter Claim.
And we also got a coin so we can win some prizes, and it says Jupe Jangle on it.
Oh, it says good for one back rub.
Yeah. I'm
From
not
who?
rubbing your back.
Jordan Peele or?
Yeah, maybe Jordan Peele's gonna rub my back.
What? It wouldn't be a town if they didn't have a saloon, the Sunday Saloon. Hey!
Welcome to Jupiter's Claim. You gotten a jangle yet?
No, what is that?
Take it.
Oh,
It's okay. He don't mind.
did you just pickpocket him? Oh, thank you.
That's for you.
Oh my goodness, it's a coin.
I hope you strike gold today.
I think I already did. Thank you so much.
Of course.
The people here in Jupiter's Claim are awesome. They're so nice.
I love them. They're so lovely, and they gave us free money.
So we each get a back rub with our coins that we got.
Yeah, from Jordan Peele, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, and just like any other town, the sheriff office is gonna be right next to the saloon. Whoa.
This is scary.
This kind of reminds me of like Calico a little bit, right?
I think this guy had one too many of those vodkas. We got a man down.
This guy's definitely a tequila drinker. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, floor.
I feel like weird. Something's gonna happen.
What?
I feel like.
Oh my gosh, something's happening. The town is coming alive. Oh no!
Oh, hell no!
Get off the street!
What? What's that? Get off the street! All right, Ashley, I'm starting to believe that something's not right here. You were right. All the crash sites that were over here, this bike that's down, Tiffany Haddish is here.
Tiffany Haddish started screaming. I was like, I would recognize that voice from anywhere.
Oh, hell no!
Like everything is like disheveled and in disarray.
I feel like the brochure lied to us.
I think so too.
All right, what the heck happened at the Star Lasso experience right here?
I think the weather knocked it down.
What?
The weather, right?
Is it El Nino season again?
I guess so. I guess it is pretty chilly.
Do you see this right here? This is a plush actually from the trailer. These are gonna be the aliens that you see for just a split second. And it has the tag from it. Look at the detail, guys. What happened over here? Even if you look up here, there's gonna be chairs from the Lasso experience. What happened over here? Oh my gosh, another alien! They're everywhere. There's a huge line by the general store. They must be giving out free samples. Is it like Costco or?
I want a free sample. Let's get some beer.
Well, you can go to the front right here, or you can go just to the left over here. Let's go to the left.
Shirts are 3 jangle. The long sleeves are 10 jangle, and the hats here are 10 jangle.
5 minutes later.
We gotta find some town people and collect coins. You can only buy the merchandise if you have the coins.
Or the town drunk who is missing all of these from his pockets. We can find him on the floor.
Look at someone with like a broken heel or a missing shoe.
Okay, let me look. Let's look.
All right, I have a question. Where do we collect these gold coins that everyone has? How do I get those?
Well, it's so funny you should ask.
Oh, really?
It's so funny that you should ask, because I have one right here. Would you like it? Yes. There you go.
time, y'all. One more time. Here we go. Whoa!
Yes, it's in that one.
It's in this one again. Can you believe that? Wait a second. What's that? Oh, there it is.
Oh!
Look at that. One jangle.
Thank you!
He's the magic man. You love magicians.
I love magicians! Why didn't you do this on our first date?
I need to become a cowboy magician.
Jeez.
All right, how many do we have now?
5.
All right.
So we need 3 more.
Hey, I heard you've been dropping things around here. Is this true? I heard you've been dropping news around here.
I've been dropping nothing but love. That's what I got.
I knew I liked you.
Yeah, I knew I liked you. What's your name?
I'm Nick. What's your name?
Nick, I'm Chuck Williams.
Jug Williams?
Yeah,
That's
that's
awesome.
right.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jug.
Hey, I've been needing a little help
Yeah.
and some money. If you don't mind distracting him, I'm gonna sneak over and describe a little bit of gold.
If we help you, can we have some of your money?
Absolutely.
All right.
You know what? This is worth barely some of that gold. How about this? You take. Now this is the fun part.
Okay.
This is the jingle. Wait, no. This is the jingle. Sorry, I'm drunk. This is the jingle, and this is a jingle, jingle, jingle.
What?
And if you get the next, you know what you got then? A jungle. All right, you distract him.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
That's a premium nugget. How much that's worth? I'm gonna go put it in the bank anyway.
You found the town drunk. You found him.
We found the town drunk and he gave me 4 jangles and now I have 10 jangles, so now we can go get a long sleeve. Okay.
Don't let me see it, let them see it. I'll tell you what I'm gonna have you do. I want you to sign your name on the face of that card, right?
Okay.
So it's permanently yours, alright? I'll look away. You know what sleight of hand is? Yeah, you know what sleight of hand is? You don't know what sleight of hand is? It's like you make a coin disappear or something. This is called sleight of mouth right here. Oh, you got talent.
That it? That was it?
That was the name.
That's not it.
Hold on.
You okay? Are you all right?
Do you need the hind legs?
Are you okay?
Oh,
Oh, gosh, okay.
Shut up!
how many cowboy magicians are here? Okay, I did a little bit of work.
Okay.
And I got 2 solid jingles. I got an IOU. That's just as good as cash.
What do you want? Tell me.
Uh-oh.
Who's next? It's so
They just abandoned post. Get whatever you want.
Right now.
Take the shirts. We were able to strike a deal actually because whatever that was, a storm? I don't know what that was.
There was a storm and they like lowered all the jangle prices.
They were slashing prices there.
Yeah, so we got a Note Movie shirt.
Oh, with the cloud.
How cool is this?
That's awesome.
We got Note Movie bandanas,
Boom.
a Note Movie
Pin.
pin, a Jupiter's Claim t-shirt.
That is awesome.
How cool is this?
I love that. That's so cool that we were able to win a little bit of merchandise here.
You know what we should do is give away some of this merchandise on Mousewipes Mondays.
Are you sure? No, we should.
Give
You're
back.
sure.
Yeah.
We'll give them your shirt. I'll keep mine.
No!
What?
Just kidding.
This is insane. This is not what Jupiter Claim is going to look like at all ever. But look at down here, guys. This is actually the ground for the new Studio Tram Tour. So we're going to go right here on the Studio Tram Tour. Go all the way through Jupiter Claim. And that's going to lead to Fast and Furious Supercharged, which was the newest addition to the Studio Tram Tour back in 2015.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that they added something brand new to the Studio Tram Tour, and I'm really excited to experience on the tram now that I've gotten to walk through it. But I'm wondering, are they going to have all the actors out and about on the Studio
idea, but this was such a cool event, and I'm glad that we got to share this. And even though that we got a sneak peek, I feel like we still don't even know what the real experience is or what the movie is, so I can't wait.
Absolutely, and the endless possibilities for Halloween Horror Nights in this section.
Oh my gosh, put it down right now on wax. Is this gonna be open for Halloween Horror Nights?
Putting it down on wax, yes.
I can't express how awesome this is that Universal is celebrating Jordan Peele. You know, it's only his third motion picture. His first picture came out in 2017, and my favorite thing about this is they're giving his flowers while he's still in his prime. I love this. Jordan Peele, you're my favorite.
This is such a great addition to the Studio Tram tour. We're really happy to be here. He gave me free jangles without whipping Nick, so.
That's right. Call that a good friend. That guy is really nice, but honestly, it's so cool that he's added to the Studio Tram tour. This is only the fourth director that Universal has really put this much backing into. First it was Alfred Hitchcock with The Bates Motel. Then it was Spielberg with Jaws and War of the Worlds. Then it was Peter Jackson with King Kong 4D. And now we have Jordan Peele with Nope. How awesome is this? Hey Ashley, do you actually know what the movie Nope stands for?
Not of planet Earth.
What?
Right?
I heard that's a rumor. Are we expecting some aliens?
Yeah, I would assume so. If I'm right, do I get more jangles?
Holy crap, where did you get that jangle?
I got like 10 of them in my pocket because I robbed the drunk guy.
Are you good? What's happening? Is this part of the thing?
No, I don't think it is. Did you guys know about this?
I don't know about this. Is it new or something? It's alright, hey, just relax.
It's okay. Alright, and that's gonna wrap up everything here for the Jupiter acclaimed sneak peek for the new movie Nope by Jordan Peele. Shout out again for Universal Pictures for inviting the Mouse Vibes. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and we'll never forget it. It was incredible to be able to walk on the back lot and experience Jupiter acclaim before anyone else there. And just a reminder, guys, that's not what it's gonna look like moving forward, but we were so excited to check it out. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not, thanks for stopping by.